Greetings, fellow artists. So here I am in the middle of this lockdown thing. I don't have much money anyway, but even if I did, I don't have a car. And even if I did have a car, I can't get out of the place. And so I noticed that I had cut some philodendron and put them in water. Here they are, philodendron in water. And they were screaming out to me, "We need a pot. I can't sit in this coffee can forever." But you are going to sit in a coffee can forever. It's just that we're going to give you some dirt in a bigger coffee can. Now this right here is a poured skin. You can find my other video on simple do-it-yourself dollar store pours. To get a skin, I pour it on a very flat surface that is covered with a garbage bag, one of them heavy-duty garbage bags. When the pour dries, when the paint dries, give it a couple days, you can peel it right off of that thing. So this is one of the bigger pours. Maybe not the most beautiful color, but it's the biggest one. And I'm going to use this handy-dandy Folgers coffee can. And we're going to cover it with this skin. How are we going to do that? It's not going to be hard. We're going to use our we're going to use our Elmer's glue. And we're just going to cover the coffee can with the glue. And you know, none of this is very hard. Okay, so we're going to cover the coffee can with the glue, you know, kind of like just like you would, as one would. Elmer's glue on the thing and a little brush. We're going to wash that brush so we're going to be able to reuse it because we believe in reusing things. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Covering a can with glue is not that exciting. All right, here we got that thing covered with glue, sort of. We might have to diddle with it because, I don't know, diddling with things is part of the deal, isn't it? Oh, now look, I got this burn aluminum foil on here. I should have taken that off. Wait time to me right now, and it'll be all right. All right, that's good enough. All right, now we got our skin. Let's see how our skin is. It's all like skin. Okay, so we're going to figure out how we're going to put that on there. And we're going to start right about there. And just cover the dead burn coffee can. Oh, and it wants to come up on the other side, does it? Well, we're not going to let it do that. Oh, now I see that I've actually got a little too much skin, which is better than not enough. And I'm going to just glue that on there like that. And wrap it right around, and it's going to be perfectly happy. And I think I might need a little more. Hang on. A little more. There we go. And I'm going to just right over there. Right over there. Now you notice that this has got, you know, raggedy edges. Well, we're going to wait till it dries, and we're going to cut them off and kind of turn them in, you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? And then we're going to have a very bizarre pot. And I'm going to fill it with my potting soil, which I had a little bit of. And then it will be a nice home for these little guys. And after I'm done diddling with it and cutting and, you know, folding, I will show you the finished product. Well, alrighty then. There's my little flower pot. Put some dirt in there. The glue's not even dry yet. But you see, it's going to be kind of an interesting flower pot, isn't it? And the little philodendron, they're so grateful. Thank you for the dirt. And that took about 10 minutes, which is surprising to me. Kind of like when I do the dishes and it only takes about 5 minutes and I say, why have I put this off so long? It only took 5 minutes. Now, if you don't do a skin, you could use a fabric that you like. It's quite simple, quite cheap. Recycle that stuff, and your plants will thank you.
Thank you.
Keep arting, and have a great week.